Hi, my name is Andrea. I am an office manager for Arizona's Choice Home Inspections. We have been in business for 5 years, and I've been using Google Sheets all 5 years, and I rate it 5 out of 5 stars. We have been using Microsoft Excel before we moved over to Google. We would do it for payroll, managing invoices, sending out statements, and we have absolutely switched everything over to Google Sheets now. We made the switch over to Google Sheets because Microsoft Excel was not user-friendly for everybody. Anyone on the team was kind of struggling with it. It would take a while to get everything sent over to everybody, and within Google Sheets we can collaborate together and get everything done right away in one document. It was fairly easy getting started with Google Sheets. We just had one team meeting, kind of went over everything. Everyone understood the assignment right away. They all knew what they were doing. Everyone was familiar with Google. We all have our Gmail accounts too, so it was easy to navigate. I highly recommend everyone to use Google Sheets just to keep everything on track, keep everyone on the same page, and allow everyone to give their input their own data, and manage one document so you can all work together.